का तजुर्बा है, in fact not be sir, with your due respects, we have got 32 years into our existence in cold storage facility in Hyderabad. We might have done pretty good in seed, but when it comes to pharma, that 32 years of experience look 32 days. And that's what our 15 months of journey in pharma, what we got discovered. Handling pharma is something else. It's not as easy as seed or butter or ice cream. In fact, if I ask you, what comes to your head? As Mr. Chakravarti said, let's make it interactive. Yeah, I want to make it interactive. I want to talk as less as possible. What comes to your head when you think of a cold storage? क्या आता है समझ में? What are the products that get into them? Get stored. Ice cream. Good, you did not say McD burger. Whiskey, yeah, great. And the ladies over there, maybe a vegetable and a milk. Yeah. That is the instinct mindset of a Indian, mindset. Think cold storage, think fruit, think vegetable, think milk, think ice cream or whatever. But never think of a pharma. When you are inbound with that mindset, that what else will open up? Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. But that is how the Indian pharma sector has been viewing the Indian cold storage sector. That cold storage sector in India is only for fruits, vegetables, ice cream or the McDs or the French fries and so on, and not for pharma. And that is how we also labeled ourselves. I'm representing the Indian cold storage industry. But one fine day, few of us said to ourselves, what it takes to serve pharma. And when we started speaking to the pharma men, they said, हमको रखना नहीं है, आपसे नहीं होगा. These were the words bluntly where I got listening for. We stood there and said, got it, what next? And some point of time they started trusting us that these guys can do. And that is how 15 months ago, at least we in Gubba Cold Storage started to serve pharma. And touchwood, the journey is pretty big and huge, aage jaake. In fact, as a cold storage industry, there are some 10,000 cold storage facilities in India. Not even 1%, trust me, not even 1% store pharma in their cold storages. That is, and if you look at the potential, probably if you put in numbers, maybe another 2,000 cold storages are there in India which are in-house for pharma. That is the potential. But why? Because they don't trust. Because we the cold storage players are incapable. That is what your pharma men are there. Nothing wrong. We did so many nonsense things and that created a view that we are incapable to store. But here, we the cold storage industry, we at Gubba have started altering the view. वो नजरिया बदलना चालू कर दिए. Just I'll run you through maybe quickly on my PPT to get a sense how a cold storage look, a bulk big cold storage for pharma look. This is how a rack supported cold storage look. This is a 2-ton jumbo bag facility. Nowadays, in APIs from a 2-ton jumbo bag, there's a 1.5 ton jumbo bag. There's a single floor. This is how a single floor, a 10,000 ton cold storage or a 5,000, 6,000 pallet cold storage look like. This is the top view. Web-enabled inventory system is critical for a cold storage, who have little better expertise. Touchwood, we create best facilities and run it efficiently. If you look at per pallet cost versus a cold storage player like us or in-house like you, farak rahega. Because we are known to set up the facility with the lesser capex and opex too. And we put our brain, sweat, everything to give the best of the outcome. The service, which you can't even imagine. Now, let your brain be there to manufacture the drug. When you want, say, 5,000 pallet cold storage facility, you obviously set up some 10,000 pallets. The cost automatically goes up. Initial 3-4 years, the cost, everything is for 10,000 pallets. But people like us, you'll obviously go for a 5,000. Hire and fire. You suddenly want a custom bonded. We are there. You wanted EOU to be stored. We are there. You said, hey, can you have a humanitarian cargo? We are there. You said, one fine day, you'll say, FTWZ. We might give you. You say, hey, I want 2-8 custom bonded. We might give you. But in-house, you cannot have so much of versatility.
Because you have your own challenges. You are not here to store the drug. You are here to sell the drug, manufacture the drug. So your focus is always on कहाँ बेचूं यार, रॉ आई मीन ROW में बेचूं या यूरोप में बेचूं, किसको बेचूं, कितना कमाऊं, 5,000 crore, 10,000 crore, मैं क्या करूं? You don't focus on these things. Logistics is the last count, last mile. We add value to where you are in such cases. When I 15 months ago, when I went to my first pharma company, they didn't even look at me. That is how the mindset is. Then we started speaking, talking, understanding the pharma language. One fine day, they understood that yes, the cold storage industry is here to stay for a longer period in serving pharma. Regulatories, SOPs, GDPs, whatever. Yeah, I mean, 21 CFR data loggers, that is pretty that is what you always expect from us. Temperature mapping, thermal tracking, ensure that every pallet is gets a uniform temperature. Real-time access of temperature, app to check your temperature and humidity. Yeah, in fact, like rodent and pest. How do you kill a rat? How do you kill a rat, a rodent? Any idea? Fine. Zinc phosphate with, say, tomato or idli or mirchi bhaji, mix करके लगा देते हैं. Now, that is what India have been using predominantly for a pretty long time. By the way, rat is an intelligent animal. Once the rat eats the poison, it will know that it ate the poison, and it tries to escape. Now, if it drinks water, the rat drinks water, the poison gets diluted, and it will again have a rebirth. मतलब वो नहीं मरेगा. So it tries to find water. So once if a Rhodo box, don't have a water near about. And in the process, when it knows that it ate poison, in the panic situation, it produces more offsprings. That is the behavior of rat. By the way, rat it doesn't eat sponge or say wire or whatever just because it is hungry. No, why it will do? उसको क्या मिलेगा non-living item खाने में? In fact, the upper tooth of the rat grows by 4 mm every day. And if it doesn't mend by eating something which is hard, the upper jaw will get into the lower jaw and the rat will kill itself. So to avoid that, it tries to bite wood, foam, wires, and so on. This is the behavior of the rat. So with the help of World Health Organization, we did some study because we are into seeds, so we had sleepless nights with rats. We created a bait called with bromidilone, broken rusk, and mustard oil. Mustard oil flavor, rat likes mustard oil flavor, and rice, it likes it, and bromidilone. That bait became a slow poison. Once the rat eats that bait, it will die on the 3rd day. So in the process, it will not communicate to the other rat, there is a poison, don't go eat. By the way, rats, earlier zinc phosphate में खाने के बाद उसको पता चलता है मैं तो जहर खाया हूँ. It will communicate to that rat, don't go and eat. So it will not eat. ये मरता है मैं उसको मरने नहीं देता है. So with this bromidilone, it will die on the 3rd day, and the rat doesn't know. तो वो भी शायद मर जाएगा और ये भी मर जाएगा. Through this mechanism, technology, जुगाड़ का technology, what we call, to some extent, we have eradicated rats. Of course, we can't kill rats in a pharma cold storage. We have to only capture them and throw them out. In fact, you keep a Rhodo box, the rat doesn't touch for 48 hours. A rat doesn't touch foreign objects for 48 hours. आप समझते अरे यहाँ लगा देंगे 2-3 दिन यहाँ लगाएंगे, नहीं हो रहा वहाँ लगाएंगे, यहाँ लगाएंगे, वो लगता ही नहीं है. It doesn't come to you. That is the behavior of rat. In fact, while we speaking in a seed cold storage, we check are there any pellets, potty of rat. That means अगर वो है तो there's a rat there. We put ordinary tile, vertified tile, we put ink overnight and put it in a gap, like 2 to 3 feet gap पे लगाते हैं. So in the corners, by the way, rat doesn't travel in the middle. It only goes by corner. That's again another behavior. अभी चूहे के बारे में तो हम तो एक दिन बात कर सकते हैं. The pause on the tile will let us know that there is a rat there. That is how we keep testing, attacking, or controlling rats. Fine, let me move on. Yeah, these are the PPEs what we use in a cold storage, of course, and this is what we need, like, I mean, when we handle the DG goods in our cold storage, no, I mean, for the MHE operators, this is a PPE, such that any spillage of raw material, he'll be safe. It's always, I mean, one of the, this thing is, you need to have a quality team always in place. That is how your pharma people will start believing you.